Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be building this stainless steel barbecue from Lowe's. We want to go ahead and replace the old one that we have. It's probably 12-13 years old. It's a little rusted on the inside. A lot of the times the cover went bad on it, so it's completely destroyed. We had to replace the cover a bunch of times, so I think it's time. So the wife wanted to get a nicer barbecue with some LEDs, something a little bit more, a little cleaner look. So here we go. You could pick these up at Lowe's. I think we paid like $6.50 for it, or $6.99, something like that. You get that 5% discount when you use the Lowe's card. Let's see how it works out. I haven't built a barbecue in many years, so I'm up for the challenge, and I'm ready to get the yard looking really nice. I did want to build a custom built barbecue. We got some family coming over, so that's gonna take probably a couple months, little by little, and I just don't have the time right now. But so we're temporarily going to buy this one. I'm going to try to sell the old one and see how it goes. All right, stay tuned. All right, it looks pretty good. It's got that see-through glass on it, and it's not the quality of the one that I had before, but that one's seen its days. And so I'm going to be reviewing it, building it, see how it looks, and if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, this is Lowe's grill. Not sure if you could buy these online or not. Like another retailer. We saw it at in Lowe's the other day. We went to look at a couple grills. Went to Home Depot. Really didn't like the ones they had there in stock. So we found this one, but they didn't have it in stock. But it looked good, so we decided to go for it. All right, so here we go. So it looks like it's well packed. So far I haven't seen a scratch or anything like that. It's got cardboard, foam. All the pieces were individually wrapped. It had the foam and the cardboard, so pretty nice. So far so good. You don't see this often. So far so good. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay. Let's keep on building. All right, guys. Holy crap. There's a lot of stuff to build a barbecue. At least this one. Look at the boxes. Foam. Got the little grills. Rotisserie. LEDs. Side panels. Left and right. You got the wheels. So, definitely a challenge. Not for me though, but it's just a lot of work. So yeah, if they're gonna build it for you for free, do it. If you want to take the challenge, then go for it. But extremely well packed. Very impressed. A lot of cardboard. Some not like that, but obviously even the ones you see at Home Depot or Lowe's, they're already gonna come in a box, and they assemble it there for you. So sometimes it is worth it. And unfortunately they crashed my truck, so I didn't have nowhere to put it, and a friend of mine helped me out, so he did bring it in the truck anyway. They offered to build it, but I want to take the challenge, and yeah, a lot of parts, so quite messy. All right, so here we go. Alright guys, project is done. Quite messy. A lot of cardboard for protection, which I like. But, you know, obviously I'll recycle this stuff. But super well packed. Very, very happy about that. Took me about an hour, a little bit over an hour and 15 to get it all done. Obviously the first one is the worst one. So here we go. Finished product. Looks pretty nice. I do like the window. Pretty sure I'm going to be a slave of cleaning that stupid thing. But overall, pretty cool. It's got the LED. Also a little lamp here to do its lighting, what it's supposed to do. It's got a little accessory to hang your stuff. But for 700 bucks, can't beat it. It's pretty nice. And so here, it's the old one that my wife, she's looking at me right now as we speak. Like, so she ended up buying that barbecue because she doesn't like my barbecue. So she's old, like 10 years old. No, about 10, 12. A little rusty. Good quality. Little branding on top. It's got the little burner over here to do a searing, whatever it's called. It came with the rotisserie too, but I never used it. It's got the drawers. So I'll say goodbye. She's actually right behind me, staring at me. Like I told you, it looks better. Alright guys, look at the LEDs. It's gonna look nice when the pool is on, that's about it. Probably can't even make a burger. Looks pretty good though. It's all stainless steel. So it's not gonna rust like the other one. It's got the little sear thing. It does come with a rotisserie, but I'm not gonna be doing that anytime soon. So looking sharp. The 2 doors, storage. Alright. Let's see what the boss says. Alright guys, so this is the reason why the wife wanted this thing. As you can see, kind of goes with the pool, little lights we got in the back, somewhere back there. It's hard to see at night, these cameras are not the best for the nighttime. But this thing looks wicked. Super wicked. I hope it cooks as good as it looks. Definitely looks pretty sweet. Wow. So if you like lights like me, definitely a must. Well, hopefully it'll cook good. Super bling. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the little barbecue build. Another DIY project. Definitely was worth it. It looks super cool. So, you know, have people over, turn on the lights. Pretty sharp. Alright, thanks for watching guys.